how I set up my Mishimoto dual catch cans in my 2018 STI. As you can see, it's a right-hand drive model. Oh, this is an Australian model, and it's a bit different to the US models. Anyway, obviously, as you know. So, let's see how I did it. You're gonna need 3 hose adapters from 5/8 inches to half inch. As you can see, I've used the brass hose adapter here, and you're gonna need one for here, and then you're gonna need another one for the PCV port, which is underneath the throttle body here, and then you're gonna need a third one for the connection going from here to all the way towards your catch cans. I'm running a full system, so I got 2 catch cans. I got my 3 port down here, and I got my 2 port in there. Right, and the car is fully stocked, as you can see. I'm looking forward to do some power mods, so I'm just doing my pre-work just to keep the EJ257 happy, catch all the low by gases. Now, the 2 port catch can in there, as you can see right there. To your 2 port catch can, and obviously you got to remove your intercooler and stuff to put this thing on, and you'll be better off removing your throttle body so you can access your actual PCV valve, which is right underneath the throttle body here, right? And if I don't think I could get a clearer view, but if you look under there, that is a 3-port valve. There's a one connection going towards that way, and there's another connection coming up this way. Okay, now the connection that goes that way, it's coming from your crankcase. And now remember this, the connection size is 5/8 inches, right? Not half inch. And that line that goes under everything here, and it goes into your input in your 2-port catch can, right? And the line from your PCV valve, which is located underneath this, it goes from the PCV valve underneath all this into cooler and stuff. It goes into your catch can's output, the one with the white tape. Oh, I just put a white tape so I didn't want to mix up the hoses, and it goes to your output of your 2-port catch can. So that's how I set up the PCV side of it. Now to the crankcase breather valves. Now, as you can see, I'm using the stock PCV piping system. So for this, you got this connection here. I've taken out the factory hose bit out of here, and I got a 1/2 inch hose here, and that connection from here through the factory bracket going under, and it goes into one of the imports in my 3-port catch can right here. And the second connection, the connection that comes straight up from your crankcase, that's also a 1/2 inch connection, goes from there, goes around here, around there, underneath there, and goes into my second import, right? And the other connection, which connects to your intake hose here, originally this is connected to your a crankcase port down there, so I've taken all the factory hoses off. And this one from here, I've used this elbow piece. Oh, remember, this is another 5/8. The size is 5/8, remember that. As well as your PCV port, the PCV port, which is underneath this throttle body, that's again a 5/8. So technically you got three 5/8 ports. One's underneath your throttle body, which is the PCV, and the port that goes that way to your catch can, that's a 5/8. And this here in turbo inlet, it's a 5/8 too. Everything else is 1/2 inch. Now from your turbo inlet, it goes right there, right there, right there, and it goes into your out port of your 3-port catch can. Right, now there are different ways you could route these hoses. You could route this hose underneath the intake manifold, all that, but I couldn't be bothered doing it. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with the install. It kind of keeping the factory look. Obviously I used the black hoses, so that's pretty much it. I paid $175 each for the catch cans, and on top of that about another $100 for the hosing and hose connectors, which is not too bad. Where you can buy the whole complete kit for like 650 Australian dollars, where I got this thing done in about around $450. It's not too bad at all. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just if you guys got any questions, just ask me down in the section. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and just let me know how you guys go if you decide to go with the Mishimoto dual catch can system. Alright, see you later.